friends! So I have Theo with me. Theo, can you say hi to the camera? Say hi! Theo says safety first, so he's got his safety goggles. But Theo and I are going to show you how to decorate some Easter eggs today. So I got 2 different ways we would have done them if we'd had school this week. So Theo, I'm going to give you an egg and a crayon. Can you decorate the egg? So I want you to draw all over the egg. So I'm going to draw some polka dots. Do you want a different color? I have a different color. You want to use that one? So I'm trying to use light colors because light colors tend to show up the best.
Yeah.
Good job. Keep going. I'm going to do polka dots on mine. All right, Theo, are we ready to put our eggs in some food coloring? Okay, so I have some red food coloring, and then in this one, I'm going to do some color mixing like we talked about earlier this week. So I'm going to use some blue, and I'm going to use a little bit of red, and we're going to see if maybe we get something a little bit purpley. All right, Theo. So there's just vinegar and food coloring in this cup. Theo, do you want to put your egg inside? Put your egg in. Let go. Let go.
A few moments later.
Drop it all the way in. Drop it all the way in. So we're going to let Theo's float around in the food coloring. And then we're going to put mine in the red. And we're going to see what happens. Now my eggs are just pretend eggs from the dollar store, craft eggs. If you use hard-boiled eggs, this will work a lot better. All right. Almost. Okay, should we take this one out and have a look? Not quite ready yet. So we're just gonna hold it down. I'm gonna use my finger. You're doing such a good job, Theo. Good job. You want to pull it out? All right. So I'm going to give you a paper towel, Theo. Okay, hold the paper towel. I'm going to take your egg and I'm going to give you the egg. Okay, ready? You ready? You're going to put it in the paper towel. Okay, we're going to give it just a little pat. Give it a little pat. And we'll do the same thing with the other egg. Okay, come here. Bring it here. Come sit here. You want to go show Daddy? Whoops. All right, so that's method 1. And if you use a little bit more food coloring and real eggs, they'll turn out a little bit better than mine did. All right. Next, we are going to do the other method I use, which is with shaving cream. Theo, are you ready to help me with this one? Okay, so I'm going to give Theo a spoon, and I am going to put some food coloring in the shaving cream, and I'm going to kind of go all over randomly. I'm going to use blue and yellow this time. Okay, Theo, I want you to mix it up a little bit. Can you spread it around a little bit? Oh, good job. Yep, and over here. Perfect. All right, I'm going to give you an egg, and I want you to roll the egg around. So use the spoon to roll the egg around in the shaving cream. Okay, and we're going to do the other one too. Are you ready? Should we do some red in here too? Let's go. Let's put some red over here. Okay, can you mix it up, Theo? Good job. All right, do the same thing with this one. I'm going to scoop it up and mix it around. Good job. All right, I'm going to get this spoon. Perfect. Yep. Good job, Theo. All right. And so then our next step is going to be to take the Easter egg out and pat it down. So put your spoon down. Yeah, we're going to put your spoon down. Ready? Let go. Let go. Good job. All right. We're going to take Theo's egg. We're going to put it in the paper towel. Are you ready? Can you help me? Good job. Yeah. We're going to pat it down. Good job. And we're going to let that sit for quite a while so that the food coloring can absorb in. Bring it to me. Bring it to me.
No.
I'll take it to Daddy. Okay. Daddy, don't drop it on the floor. So you're going to let that sit for a little while so that all the colors can absorb into the egg. And then once it's had a chance to dry,
Daddy,
you can sort of pat it off a little bit and the eggs will be dyed. And those are the 2 ways that if we had school this week, we would have dyed our eggs. All right, Theo, thank you so much for helping. Can you say bye, friends?
Bye.
Bye.